Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a spiral text on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to color these in different colors. You don't have to, but I'm just going to make it cute. I don't know. And then I'm going to also change the font. You can use any font that you want, of course. I think I might change it into this one. Right click, right click, create outlines, and then go to window and open brushes. Select it and place it here. Make sure you select pattern brush. Select OK and select OK again. Delete that and go to the ellipse tool. Just press L on your keyboard and create a circle. Also make sure it's no fill and no outline. Go to the pattern brush and select it. Effect, distort and transform, and then transform. I'm going to make it 75%. You can do 85. Hello. And then for the angle, you can play with that later, but go to copies and select how many ever copies you want. And then here you can just like adjust the angle as you'd like. Maybe like this. Maybe I will put 85 and 85% here. Press OK, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!